3 ways that you can take charge of your mental health and actually get stronger. Do not crash out. That's very important. 1, fasting.
Fasting isn't just about food. It's about giving your brain a break.
2, sleep. Monitoring your sleep.
Sleep is your brain's night shift, and it's the most powerful mental health tool you already have.
3, meditation.
Meditation isn't about emptying your mind. That would be like asking your heart to stop beating. It's about training it.
Man, if you can get these 3, you can really take charge of your mental health. Do not crash out. You are better than that. You got to show people you're better than that. You can't just crash out every time somebody pisses you off. It doesn't matter what people have done to you. It's your responsibility to heal it. You don't have to worry about them. You have to worry about you. It ain't helping your case. I know, because I did it. You are responsible for you. So when it comes to fasting, there's a lot of science behind the power of fasting in your mental health.
When you fast, your body shifts into repair mode. In that state, your brain increases something called BDNF, brain-derived neurotropic factor.
I fast every day for a period of time. I don't fast, 24 hours.
That's basically fertilizer for your neurons. Higher BDNF levels are linked to better mood, sharper thinking, and stronger emotional resilience.
Fasting has helped me tremendously because it's kind of like still clearing my brain out.
Fasting also reduces inflammation, which plays a real role in anxiety and depression.
The other benefits you get from fasting are immense as well on a biological level. There's a lot of help there.
So you're not starving yourself, my friend. You're resetting your internal operating system.
When it comes to sleep,
healthy sleep is not a luxury, it's maintenance.
I try to make sure I get 7 hours, and I mark it down every day.
When you sleep, your brain runs a cleanup process called the glymphatic system. It removes toxins and stress chemicals that build up during the day.
I write down how many hours I got, and when I'm in a deficit, I know I need to start sleeping more.
If you skip sleep, those toxins stay in your system and your emotional threshold drops.
Right? Because that's when our brain kind of repairs itself.
Sleep also regulates cortisol, the stress hormone.
It gets a chance to reset itself. So sleep is always very important.
When your sleep is healthy, your mood, your memory, and your emotional stability all go up.
And then finally, meditation.
Meditation is training the mind to return to center.
For 25 years, I've been meditating. Now, sometimes it's not every day.
When you meditate consistently, you lower stress, you strengthen resilience, and you increase calm by default.
But at a minimum, I meditate at least 5 days a week. Sometimes life gets in the way.
Studies show meditation physically changes your brain by increasing gray matter in areas that control emotional regulation.
But I always make time to meditate. And you can meditate any kind of way you want, man. It doesn't matter. You can just sit in silence. You can repeat mantras. You can do all kind of stuff.
It also quiets the amygdala. That part of your brain responsible for fear and overreacting.
But once you start that meditation journey, try out a bunch of different meditations. You're going to find the one that feels best for you.
Meditation is mental weightlifting, my friend. Every session makes you stronger.
I've been gaslit my whole life. I've been extorted. I've been gang stalked, bullied, abused, traumatized. I allowed it to happen to me. And this time I'm not allowing it to happen to me. It was funny when we made him think he was crazy. That was funny. But it ain't funny no more, huh? Because I'm going to show everybody why I want to crash out. That's what it's going to be. I'm coming for everything you owe. Everything. All of that, man. It will really do a number on your psyche. It'll do a number on your self-confidence. As always, you are enough, my friend. For real, you are.